Hello guys and welcome. This is Zibby from Dealmax Motors. We are servicing a vehicle for a customer of ours from New York. There was a few fuel lines that we've replaced, and now we are in the process of cleaning the chassis from beneath, and I wanted to show you guys what a clean W124 looks like. So this car spent most of its life in Florida. So this will be just a video showing you the details and the spots where they like to develop some rust. So we can see that the brake lines are very nice. We will be sealing those. So we already power steam washed the vehicle to get all the grime off and getting it dried right now. So we'll start sealing. These are very common hoses that just go old, so we've replaced that one, and this one up here. That's a very common spot for them to start develop rust. You have your brake cables attaching to these mounts. So this is very good actually on this car. That's amazing, it's in this shape. And just the tunnel itself in '93 was not something that they would cover with amber. Back in the 80s and 70s, this would all be ambered. So that's what we will be doing, making sure that the amber gets in between the welds here. Brake lines are in very good condition, so we will be ambering those. It's actually very nice. The subframe is very nice, as you saw. Let's go to the front. So here we have our transmission and transmission mounts. These like to develop rust all around. So everything is very clean here. The transmission has no corrosion on there. As you can see, it's very clean after our washing. These bolts, everything is very nice. Spindles. These spots here like to develop some rust. So everything is very clean. You can see the stamp welds. Here is our motor, nice and clean. We can seal that with amber so it doesn't develop any of that white corrosion. Here's the alternator. Here's the other front spindle. And these bolts usually rust. Everything is very nice here. Just a clean car. This is very nice. They always like to rust here underneath this plate. We will be amber filling all these access points, making sure that those over there are filled. There is an amber coating video I've already uploaded to the channel on a 2008 GL 550, so you can see how it looks after everything gets covered. This is just a video to show you guys 1 to 4 the way it's supposed to be. a car that you could actually enjoy for many years to come. The customer opted to do this prior to having it for many years to come. He just acquired a vehicle a few months back. He wanted to preserve the vehicle, so we'll be doing that next. Thanks for stopping in.